Good morning. Today is Monday, November 7th, 2022. We are living in a time of government expansion, and Washington politics is playing a larger role in the financial markets than ever before, leaving investors much more exposed to political risk than ever before. As you look past this week's elections, you may be wondering what they may mean for the markets. To help you make sense of it all, I invite you to join an exclusive event that we've arranged for you with Washington insider Stuart J. Sweet. Stuart has spent his entire career analyzing and mitigating political risks for investors, and we will host him live this week, Thursday, November 10th at 11 a.m., and we'll replay his presentation that same day at 7 p.m. Both times are central. This is sure to be a great presentation, and we hope that you are able to join us. All of the details can be found on our website, www.investwithccg.com. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll today's intro, and then we will take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Hawkish comments by Fed Chair Jerome Powell following the announcement of another 75 basis point interest rate hike last week cast a pall over financial markets, sending yields higher and stocks lower. The Dow Jones Industrials Average slipped 1.4%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 declined 3.35%. The NASDAQ Composite Index lost 5.65% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, fell 1.04%. The official statement released following the Federal Open Market Committee meeting appeared to suggest a potential for future easing of interest rates. Investors, of course, cheered the news, sending stocks higher, but the optimism was crushed 30 minutes later on hawkish comments by Fed Chair Powell during his post-meeting press conference. Losses accelerated into Thursday, led by technology names, which were under pressure due to rising bond yields. The yield on the 2-year Treasury note rose to its highest level since 2007. The sentiment took damage from workforce reduction and freeze news from multiple technology companies. Some considered it a sign of a pending recession. Stocks managed to erase some of the week's losses on Friday following a strong employment report and a drop in the U.S. dollar. As I said in the statement accompanying the 75 basis point rate increase, the FOMC said that future increases would consider the cumulative monetary tightening to date and the lag in impact such tightening involves. If you've been joining us on our monthly capital markets update and outlook calls, you know that we've been talking about this the last couple of months. But in his post-meeting press conference, Fed Chair Powell struck a more hawkish tone. He said that current inflation data did not support any slowdown in rate increases, and that the terminal rate, which is the point at which rates will no longer rise, may be higher than initially expected. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to visit our website, www.smartmixportfolios, to learn more about our personalized approach. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. I have got another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on LinkedIn, then we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, today's riddle is a little bit different. It's not necessarily a question. So here we go. Today's riddle is to create a 13-letter word using all 13 of the following letters: OA, IISTTRRDNA&M. So again, create a 13-word using all 13 of the following letters. Post your answer down below this video on either Facebook or LinkedIn. And if you're the first one, then we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answer to previous week's riddles, you may visit our website /riddles to find out. All right, and then lastly, as always, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe also at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.